This is the Micro Skyhunter that I've long since completed, but yet to finish putting the video up. But this will go on the front of the video, I suppose. Couple of little updates. Needs to have servos with longer wire, but I've got some extensions on order, but I'm going to remove these and solder them in. Obviously it's a little bit hokey here, but so forth. Little bit of a problem. You'll see in the videos, on board flying especially, I've only just realised, but one of these servos is scratchy, but it's got about 3 or 4 mil worth of play in the servo, so that's why it's giving it's unable to be trimmed properly. You can trim it one way and it just sort of flops the other way depending which way the wing's loaded. Tape on the canopy helps out. I've got an X8R in there, short term, but all in all it's absolutely brilliant. I've taken it out a few times at the field, really happy. So this will be the unboxing, the build. On the end there's a line of sight flight, excuse the camera settings, not being able to see it, skip over that, and there's some on board. I had tried to put the Mobius on this, but it threw the centre of gravity well out with what battery I had with me, which was a 1300 in the nose. I couldn't put it far enough back to get the CG back, but a slimmer 1400 might slip under the flight controller bay or movable shelf in there. Either that or put maybe 1000 milliamp hour to get a Mobius on the front, but I had to mount it up on the top of the wing here. Well, it was alright. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking about getting one and they're on sale, pick one up. They are well worth it, as everyone else who's got one will tell you. Yeah, great fun. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. Welcome back everyone. Got myself a Micro Skyhunter. It was in the Banggood 11th anniversary sale. This was one of the little brilliant deals I couldn't pass up. I think it was just over 20 quid. It's the kit version, but it seems ideal to further my foray into FPV, and it seems like it could be the ideal one for me to put a flight controller in and some Inav software and stuff. So without further ado, let's have a look in it. As you can see, it completely intact, but I'll put up a little snippet of how it was packaged and how well it arrived. There you go. Don't hesitate. It has travelled really well by the looks of it. So yeah, all good. Look forward to making this one. Right, get some stickers. Single A4 sheet of plans. Relatively straightforward. Right, you get a motor mount with it. For the back section. Okay, this split canopy section. Oh, that's easy. Okay, just need to cut this piece off for it to sit flush. That's no problem. Very strong magnets. Okay, get a Y lead. Okay, should be nice for fine tuning of the centre of gravity. Got a plastic skid coming for it. I don't think this kit comes with it, so I ordered one. It was only 80p, 90p or something. But yeah, that's really nice. Loads of space. ESC will sit down the bottom there. I might mount the receiver to the underside of the wings, and then the flight controller on here with a battery in the front. Should be quite simple. Back in there for now. Well, take your fingers off those magnets. Okay, these are the booms. Got the elevator itself, a servo protector, and the linkage and clevis. No complaints. I'll put a bit of Blenderm on that, I think. Probably be wise. carbon spar. Okay, I got the little flat spars in. Right, okay. And that'll just thread into here. That's quite nice. This looks to be a slightly different version than some reviews and builds on YouTube. Yeah, that's going to be really nice. Okay, with that I think I'll show you what I'm going to be running on it. Okay, the main components. This is a Hobbywing 2205 2300 kV. I believe it'll do 2 to 4S and put out about 420 watts, which is crazy for this. I just want something that's efficient. So I think it's a 2204 recommended with a 60-30 prop. However, I'm going to be running this 2205 with 60-40s. I've got a stock of these in from ages ago. The old trusty King Kongs. So these will be good use. Going to run it off a plush 25 amp. It's got a 2 amp back, so 3 servos, 500 milliamp hour each. It should leave enough for some other stuff. 5 gram servos, just plastic geared ones. I think these are the Hobby King ones, 500 HXT 500s. Flight controller will be running off a FreeSky XSR, or maybe just to get it in the air without the flight controller, and I might run it off PWM with this little FlySky receiver. Either will be adequate for the time being. Plenty of choice for a flight controller. I've got an old Skyline that came with Summit, Rev 6 Nays. This is an Omnibus F3 if I want to take full advantage of Inav. I believe F3s were sought after target to give you plenty of capacity or capability with the CPU load. I'm going to stick this on the test stand. These things scare the out of me. Beep. It's only on a store charge battery, so just to see what we get. Ugh. So that was what, 16 amps, about 500 grams of thrust on a store charge. This will be capable of 4S, so plenty of power. Ugh, scary. Getting to be stupid o'clock, but all done. Well, the frame and everything. Servos are on. Got a scratchy servo. That one's alright. Brand new servo. Servo's wire's not long enough, but it is what it is. All the incidents and everything's all square. Yeah, it all looks good. Time to tidy up. Go and get some sleep. Time for the bog standard micro Skyhunter Maiden 60-40 King Kong prop on there. I've got loads of them, so ideal. All rough together. It's all completely square. Nanotech 1300 3S, quite obviously I think. 40mm centre of gravity, pretty much bang on perfect. Very happy. Got the old hat cam ready to go, so see how it goes before I put any flight controller or anything else in it. FPV. See how it is in its completely stock form. Looking forward to it. Yeah. Autumn is being very, very kind to us. Look at this weather. Bit hazy, but it's dead calm. Time for Maiden.
Five minutes. Minutes.
Oops. 7 minutes, plenty of fun in this left.
5
Probably another 10 minutes in this.
Well, what's to say? Very, very comfortable Maiden. Bit sketchy on takeoff due to the power and the prop on it, but it flies. It certainly goes some. 15 minutes caning it for the most part. On throttle, that is. Probably 20 minutes off throttle. But, well, 20 quid well invested for the airframe itself. 5 quid for the motor, 6 quid for the servos. Receiver kicking about, batteries from the mini quad. The Turnigy plush was off at 8 quid or something from Hobby King, but yeah, all in all, it's a great little plane. Plenty of scope to put a flight controller and stuff on it for a short range FPV, but a step towards long range perhaps.
You bully. Hey.